Canara Robeco. What does this company do? Simple bolo to, when you put money in Canara Robeco mutual fund, this company takes that money and invest in the stocks on your behalf. So they charge a simple fee for doing this. More money they manage, more fee they earn. Simple business. Now it's been managed by two powerful owners. One is Canara Bank and another one is Robeco. Canara Bank is a government bank which owns 51% of this company, and Robeco is a big Dutch company from Holland which owns remaining 49% of the company. So you have government safety on one side and international expertise on the other side. So this combination is very rare in India. Now the main question is, how many people are investing money? How many people are giving money to Canara Robeco? So every month people are putting around 727 crore in their mutual funds through SIP. And you know SIP means people give a fixed amount every month automatically, right? So this 727 crore coming every month is like a fixed income for Canara Robeco. More people invest, more fee they earn. Simple and stable business. And because of this model, their recent profit has grown 41%. And this is consistent. In the PE ratio, you can see these towers which are going up. This shows that their profits are growing year by year. For your simple understanding, if your salary was 10,000 5 years ago and it grew 41% every year, then today your salary would be 55,000 rupees. Very few companies in India can show this. Before discussing about the levels, etc., just wanted to tell you that dividend has been announced, which is going to be credited on July 16th. And the price is decided 2 rupees 50 paise. Now what's my verdict? See, shareholding pattern clearly says that the promoters are super confident. That's why the max possible holding is with promoters. Other than that, DII and FIIs are also holding this. And if we check its 5 years chart, it was in a very good discount at 220 or below levels. Now it's showing a little recovery if you see the candle chart, and I think this can be a good company to buy at the present level also. If you want to wait for a discount or previous lower level, it's your wish. I cannot comment if it is going to go down or not, if it is going to go up or not, I'm not sure. But it's a good company as of now. Can it be a multi-bagger? See, right now in India, mutual funds investment is only 8%. 8% of our total economy. In America and Europe, it is 50% or more. So you see the difference, right? So as India grows and more people start investing in mutual funds, companies like Canara Robeco will earn more and more fees without doing extra job. This is the magic of this business. Buy at right price, hold for 5 to 10 years, and let the business do the work for you.